What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another day's worth of money making videos. Today's video is brought to us by Codeable, and they are offering a community support role at their establishment. Now, this establishment will offer you this role remotely, meaning you work from home, you don't work in an office. Okay? This is called the Internet Income Ninja, the channel, because we make money through the internet. And so everything we talk about is making money online. You can work internationally from anywhere. It's 100% remote, and it is a freelancing position. So it's not a permanent role, but you will be operating under a contract. Now, Codeable connects a community of elite WordPress development experts worldwide with businesses that need a WordPress site built, developed, maintained, fixed, or optimized. We're the only WordPress exclusive services platform and community with over 550 plus freelance developers and teams delivering projects of all sizes to clients globally. Our mission is to build the most vibrant WordPress developer services community and create a better way of working for all parties in the WordPress ecosystem when it comes to WordPress websites, whether for developers, clients, or partners. Now, the purpose of this role, your day-to-day tasks may include writing content, talking to experts in our community, and supporting other teams to find the right talent in our community for specific projects. We need someone whose day-to-day focus is engaging with our developer community and finding new ways to excite, educate, and make them feel included. We need people just like yourself, motivated by helping developers everywhere find success, building strong connections and content, which can only happen when everyone is involved equally, not based on gender, identity, or sexual orientation, race, ethnicity, disability status. The talent needs diversity too. So let's lift those voices who may otherwise go unheard. And with all that said, guys, they are an equal opportunity employer. They just said it. They didn't say it in so few words, but they literally just said that they welcome people from all walks of life, irrespective of race, religion, sex, sexual orientation, and so on and so forth. Okay? So here are the skills you will need to be successful in this role. 1. You're a WordPress advocate and evangelist with a fast-paced community experience or interest. You have experience contributing to .org and have built up respect in the .org community. You've got experience in, well, this is 3. You've got experience in community management and development, ideally with prior experience from an education and learning or skills development perspective. You're capable of producing, this is 4, producing high quality content for and with our community. You'll be creating and sharing content in our private academy. You'll be creating and sharing content in our private academy learning portal, which is called LMS, which is used to share resources to help experts learn and grow. 5. You're comfortable coordinating with our opportunity management team for new client-facing opportunities. Our OM team is helping new clients find success, working on Codeable, and will occasionally need your help to find appropriate experts for their unique project requirements. As part of the team, you're ready to contribute generally to how we further evolve the expert success and community team and Codeable as a whole. Now, this is what they'll be offering in return. Alright, competitive pay, work from your home, 32 days paid time off per year, so that's a whole month. Wow. We encourage you to take the time you need for a vacation, staying active and healthy, and spending time with friends and family. We default to trust and care about the work you produce, not just the hours you put in. We get the whole company together once a year on a team building retreat, currently paused until COVID is over. We are very serious about our work, but don't take ourselves too seriously and like to have fun. We expect you to work well with culturally diverse individuals since our internal team is from worldwide and our experts and clients span every continent except Antarctica. Yo, it's frigid down there. I don't know how anyone could live there. Alright, now, Being a small team, we expect individuals to show initiative and not take on new challenges and roles. Ability to work alongside some of the nicest, most brilliant WordPress developers in the world today. Alright, now let's just backtrack a bit where they say being a small team, we expect individuals to show initiative and not take on new challenges and roles. So everything is niched down, and so they want you to focus on your area of expertise to make sure that you produce the best work. So they don't want you overdoing it, over or burdening yourself with additional roles. So they're pretty small and they expect people to just, be proactive and decide what can be handled and what cannot be handled, and just pick and choose what to leave alone and what to take on. Alright, now location and hours. This is a full-time remote position. There is no specific area that you need to live in order to have or acquire this role. The team members are scattered across the globe, and so you can literally work from anywhere once you have adequate internet and a device that's compatible with their requirements. Now, requirements: background in WordPress.org. That is key. Impeccable written and verbal English language skills, native speaker or native level, additional languages at communicative levels A+. Strategic thinker with strong attention to detail, team-oriented but self-motivated and autonomous. Good at homework setup with your kit and great internet, which I mentioned before, just a minute ago. Motivated self-starter with a friendly, positive attitude. Community experience, a CMX Community MBA A+. Adaptability to change, comfortable with fast-paced, changing environment, compassionate and inclusive, and fully embracing of diversity, mindful towards all peoples and cultures. Now, prior remote work experience is a plus, as is experience working as a development freelancer. So how to apply? If you think you're a good fit, then please submit your application using the link below, which would be found by pressing this button. Okay? Now, really quickly, we won't be able to respond individually to all applications, but if you feel you're a strong match, someone will be in touch shortly. Now, how the selection process operates: all candidates go through an initial resume screening process. Be sure to check for spelling and grammar to help your application stand out. We then invite all shortlisted candidates for an online interview with our head of support and expert community and the expert community management lead. The goal of this interview is to get to know each other better and talk about your experience with WordPress and .org, along with your community roles. If we find we're a good fit, we'll send you a couple of sample WordPress related questions and a couple of community development questions to respond to. It's a test. Depending on how you respond, they'll invite you to a second interview. The goal of this interview is to discuss your work, allow you to walk us through your problem-solving process, and supply you with another set of questions that will test your prioritization and communication skills. After the second interview, we will be reaching out with a job offer to the successful individual. So it sounds that they are looking for one person to join the team. But don't worry, if you're awesome, I'm pretty sure they may be open to taking more than one. No, we already went through this a bit. Codeable is an equal opportunity organization, and they're committed to having the place open to include all walks of life. So that's that. Legal requirements: your data will not be commercially shared with or used by any third parties. Your data will be managed in Workable, the tool we use to manage the expert application process. We are Codeable APS, a company registered in Denmark. Please review our privacy policy for any additional details. Your data will only be used in relation to your inquiry to become a Codeable expert. And again, to apply, hit the apply button. Which button? That button. See it? Hit the apply button, okay? Awesome. Right here. So hit that button, it will take you to the application page. From there, you will fill out the form and you will upload your resume and cover letter. And again, typically there's a link in the description to a website called Canva. Canva is free. Canva has hundreds of templates for resumes and hundreds of templates for cover letters. So should you be in the position of not knowing what to do, you can literally click on one of those templates and simply enter your information. It's literally just fill in the blanks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. It is a very good one. I think this company is good for all you people who are WordPress buffs. Not many people realize that for things like WordPress, you can literally hone in on it as a very marketable skill to leverage for pay. So if you want to be a community support at Codeable, go ahead and hit the apply button at the bottom of the page. I will leave a link to this lead in the description below. And again, if you are good with working a job, but you're actually more entrepreneurial minded, then there is this neat link. It's the very first link in the description below that will take you to free information to help you learn how you can build your own online business. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to stay safe. This is the Internet Income Ninja signing out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. That's all we discuss on this channel, making money online. Until next time, stay safe.